on the placeholder symbol that looks like an anchor and select Assign Value Set. Select the new value. Notice that the values of the devices have all changed. To view these value sets, select Properties on the placeholder. Eplan Electric P8 can automatically address your PLC card for you. Just select the PLC card from the PLC navigator, then go to Project Data PLC Address. Here you can select from one of the pre-made address schemes or create your own. Select the scheme to use and click OK. Your card now has new addresses. With Eplan Electric P8 you can set up projects that have multiple options. Options will allow you to turn on or off multiple sections of schematics with a single click. You can turn off multiple sections at once by disabling its option in the navigator. This will remove them from the project. You can also choose between multiple different options within an option group. You can have as many options or sections as needed. Eplan Electric P8 can automatically assign wire numbers for your project. Simply select what to number in the page navigator and go to Project Data, Connections, Numbering and Place. In this example, we'll follow the NFPA standard. Eplan will first place all of the connection definition points and display them as question marks. To automatically number the wires, go back to Project Data, Connections, Numbering and enter Designation. In the Designate Connections dialog, set your preferences for numbering. Eplan will automatically number your connections based upon the numbering scheme selected previously. In this example, the connections are numbered by page, row and counter. With Eplan Electric P8, you can use the Change of Standard module to convert drawings from IEC standard to NFPA and vice versa. To start the conversion, select Utilities, Change of Standard. Here you can name the new project and set up some properties such as rotation, symbol swap and numbering. The IEC and NFPA symbol libraries in Eplan are already mapped one-to-one. You can also use this function to map symbols between any two libraries. Click Finish when you're done. The project is now converted to NFPA standard. You can open up the converted pages and see that they've been rotated and mirrored and the symbols all have been swapped. Using Eplan Electric P8 with the bill of materials and panel layout navigators, you can design your panel and be sure that you'll never miss a part. The bill of materials navigator shows you all of the parts that are used in your project. It also has a list that shows all of your components that need a part number. You can even add this part number directly from the navigator. With the Panel Layout Navigator, you can see all the components placed in a panel, as well as part numbers that are unplaced. To place a component, select Place on Mounting Panel. Select where to place it. It's moved out of the Unplaced list and into the MP1 panel in our example. The component can also snap to existing placements. An enclosure legend can also be generated automatically from the Reports menu. To jump back to the schematic from the panel, select Go to Counterpiece on the component. Eplan Electric P8 can automatically generate all of your reports for you. The title page, table of contents, bill of materials, and terminal diagrams are just a few of the reports that can be generated. To generate a new report, select Utilities, Reports, and Generate. Select New, and then choose the type of report you want to make. We'll select the Summarized Parts list. Here you can filter and sort the report. Then select the page number to generate it on. Many different reports can be generated the same way. The reports can then be accessed via the Pages navigator. Here are a few examples. There are several export options available in Eplan Electric P8, one of which is the DXF DWG export. To do this, select Page, Export DXF DWG. Another export method is PDF. To generate the PDF, select Page, Export PDF. This intelligent PDF can be opened in any viewer. The page tree is still available. The Eplan connections are maintained through hyperlinks. You can jump between pages with the interruption points. The contacts can also jump to the coil. The component tree bookmarks give quick access to all the components. As an OEM, manufacturer, controls design supplier or system integrator, Eplan understands you are faced with mounting pressures to design faster, cheaper and with higher quality than your competitors. Get the edge you need by joining over 18,000 Eplan customers experiencing unprecedented productivity, accuracy and quality.